Picking the right tote bag to sell is actually a bit more challenging than you might think. Not only do customers want their tote bags to look pretty or have a funny saying, but they want them to be functional. Don't worry though, I did the research for you so you can start selling totes ASAP. They're super useful no matter what time of year, but they sell especially well come early spring and the Q4 holidays. Not only do customers want their totes to look pretty, but they want a good material, that they're durable, and at the right price. We're gonna review the top 2 selling tote bags, the Cotton Canvas Tote Bag, and the AOP Tote Bag, as well as the Weekender Bag, because everyone needs at least one oversized tote. We're gonna look at things like the material and durability. We're gonna look at how I would use each of them, and I'm gonna give you some pricing tips. And if you hang out till the very end with me, you're gonna find out how you can win one of these fabulous bags. Our first bag is our top seller and a classic, the Cotton Canvas Tote Bag. As the name suggests, it's made from 100% cotton. It's considered a heavy fabric at 12 ounces per square yard, so it'll hold that unreasonably heavy college textbook. It has 20-inch handles made from the same material with reinforced stitching, so go ahead and throw in a water bottle as well with that textbook. It'll hold. Canvas will give you a bold and beautiful print, so this bag is good for larger designs, text designs, and of course branding. It has printing on both the front and the back sides, comes in natural and black colors, and comes in one size, 15 by 16 inches. It has flat corners, meaning it's good for flat items, like that aforementioned textbook, laptops, or a planner. If you want to start selling tote bags, this is the one to start with because of its affordable pricing. It ranges between $5 and $8 in our catalog, depending if you have Printify Premium. So it's a good budget bag option without the budget bag quality. I would start pricing this at around $15 to $20, including free shipping. But take my pricing recommendations with a grain of salt, as you'll have other things to consider, like your platform fees, any design fees, marketing costs, and you want to leave room for discounts. Next up, our number 2 seller, the AOP Tote Bag. This bag is made of 100% polyester, meaning it's a strong, durable, synthetic fabric that'll hold its shape and dry quickly. It has a non-woven laminate lining, meaning that there's an extra film layer pressed on the inside to make it extra durable. It has reinforced stitching or a second row of stitches on the handle, making the seams even stronger. It has cotton webbing straps, meaning that it's a common strong fabric typically used for bags or other items that are woven with flat strips instead of using rope. Being an all-over print bag, you can create vibrant and bright designs. It's perfect for bright patterns or more abstract designs, like my bright and sassy. The handles come in 5 different colors, so it can perfectly match your aesthetic, and the inner stitching will also match the colors. This bag comes in 3 sizes with 1 large compartment. I ordered the smallest one at 13 by 13 inches. It features boxed corners, meaning that there's extra space on the sides where the back and front are sewn together, creating more space on the inside. When it comes to price, this bag is a bit more expensive because you have more design options and more size options. This bag starts at around $8 and goes up to $11 in our catalog, so I would start pricing this at around $25 if I'm including free shipping and want to have a decent profit. Our final bag is the Weekender Bag, and it's the largest of the 3. This one is made of 100% polyester, meaning it'll hold its shape. It has a 27-inch rope handle that's fed through gold-colored metal grommets, meaning it can hold all you need for a weekend getaway. It has a large all-over print area, meaning you'll get crisp, bright prints no matter what your design, and it has a cream sheeting interior lining. This bag comes in 1 size at 24 by 13 inches and has a T-bottom construction, meaning when you look at it from the side, it looks like a T. This enables it to stand up and gives more space on the inside. This bag is perfect for light travel, trips to the beach, or even your daily gym outing. And if you want to organize smaller items, why not throw in a matching accessory pouch? Now, this is a hefty one when it comes to price. It ranges from about $21 to $29 in our catalog, but I see these bags selling for $40, $50, even $60, leaving a decent profit. But again, do your own pricing research, as you'll likely need to account for different costs. I've given you some pricing recommendations, but let's talk marketing next. First, when should you start selling tote bags? Well, we see sales spike starting in early spring as people are gearing up for summer, and before the Q4 holidays as people tend to do a lot of gift shopping. Aside from good SEO, good photos, and other marketing tactics like paid ads, here are some different ideas. Collaborating with influencers can be a good idea, but collaborations don't have to be with influencers only. If it fits your niche, you could work with local artists or designers or local boutiques and support each other. I've also heard of merchants setting up booths at local events, craft shows, or farmers markets to showcase their products and their brand. Lastly, order samples as gifts for your friends and family or yourself and let the bags speak for themselves. Overall, totes are a pretty universal item no matter what niche you're selling in. So go ahead and check out our other options, including organic, adjustable, and even wine totes. My fave of the three, though, the weekender bag. It really is perfect for just a night or two away from home, and it's super cute with the rope handle. Don't just take my word for it, though. See what other real sellers have said in our POD Rockstars Facebook group. You can search tote bags or hashtag product review in the search bar and see what other merchants have reviewed. It's now time for your chance to take Sassy home or win one of our other tote bags by following the QR code or the link in the description. Obviously, selling just a blank tote bag is going to be pretty difficult, so go ahead and get your creative juices flowing by following these design hacks.